Hi students, welcome to Vedantu J English. I am Diksha Kaushal, your chemistry master teacher, and today we will be talking about two major tests, that is SRM and VITEEE. How to get your rank, how to get your seats in these two particular tests, and also what are the important topics, what is the minimum marks that you need to get out of it, right? So firstly, let us get a glimpse of what exactly is VITEEE. So VITEEE is a exam where you will get the admission into these four branches: Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal, Amravati, these four branches of VITEEE. Now, talking about the pattern of the exam, that is, it is online computer based exam. 2 hours 30 minutes is the time for it. Mathematics carry 40 marks, physics carries 35, and chemistry is 35 questions. Okay, so mathematics has a major portion here. Aptitude carries 10 questions, English carries 5 questions here. Then types of questions are objective MCQs, but the good news is there is no negative marking here. That's why this becomes a very important exam, and because the placements are very good in these universities, right? So marking scheme is each right answer will fetch you 1 mark here, and total number of questions is 125. That is 125 total marks you will get out of this one, right? Then if you talk about right now, the registration already has started till 31st of March till 25, right? Second week of April, right? That is your examination date, right? Examination date is 21st to 27. It is a tentative date given on the official site, right? On the official site, right? Declaration of results, that is around 30th of April. So what will happen, that you will get to know that, okay, these are my results, whether I am getting the seat or not. Okay, now if you talk about the estimated students and mark sheet, that is I would say just focus on getting the cutoff marks here. I'll tell you what is the cutoff marks. Focus on 100 to 120 marks, that you should definitely focus on. 120 is, I would say, if you are able to get 120 marks, you are good to go, right? Okay, so 100 to 120 should be your target here, right? If you talk about, these are the marking schemes that I already told you here. Talking about SRMJEE, now here if you talk about, this is Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana and Sikkim. These are the 5 branches, right? But to get into the best branch, you need to have good rank here. That's why I'm saying your target should be 100 to 120 marks, right? Or I would rather say 110 to 120 marks should be definitely your target, right? Now this is exactly like same pattern. Online mode 2 hours 30 minutes, physics carry 35, chemistry 35, mathematics 40, English 5, aptitude is 10, right? So everything else is same. Now 40 question in place of mathematics for biotechnology if you are from the bio background, right? Multiple choice question, it is English is the language. 125 question, and there is no negative marking here as well, right? Now let us talk about the important topics from mathematics, physics and chemistry, which will fetch you around 110 marks definitely in your these two exams, right? Okay, for that you really need to master the topics that I have mentioned here, right? So the first topic over here is from mathematics, that is matrices and determinants. Out of this chapter, you need to have properties, inverse and applications. From vector algebra, focus on dot and cross product and its applications. From 3D geometry, focus on distance, angle between lines and planes. All this is given by Namrata ma'am, the expert, right? Differential calculus, here limits, continuity, differentiability, maxima and minima. Integral calculus, definite and indefinite integration, area under the curve, very important. Probability and statistics, from that Bayes theorem, mean and variable. Complex number, you should focus on modulus, argument, cube roots of unity. Coordinate geometry, focus on parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Trigonometry, focus on identities, heights and distances. Permutation and combination, which students find it difficult, right? So focus on basic and advanced application of permutation and combination for mathematics, right? If you talk about physics, talking about electrostatic, focus on Coulomb's law, capacitance, Gauss theorem. Current, electricity, Kirchhoff's law, Wheatstone bridge and Ohm's law. Magnetism and EMI focus on Biot-Savart's law, Lenz's law and transformers, right? Then from optics, reflection, refraction, lens and Huygens principle. Modern physics, right? From modern physics, focus on photoelectric effect, atomic models, nuclear physics. Then talking about laws of motion, Newton's law, work, energy and power. Thermodynamics, laws of thermodynamics, heat transfer. SHM and waves, Doppler effect and wave motion. These are the most important topics that you should not skip, right? Then rotational motion, moment of inertia, torque, angular momentum, properties of matter, surface tension and viscosity. These are the topics from these chapters that you should not skip, right? Now talking about the chemistry part, here solutions. First is from solutions, concentration, colligative properties, Raoult law. And then from electrochemistry, redox, reaction, oxidation, reduction, all of these things, galvanic cell and Nernst equation, also the formula that are related to the Nernst equation, right? Then chemical kinetics, rate of reaction, collision theory, Arrhenius equation. From P block elements, you should focus on group 16 to 18 elements, the exceptional trends here, compounds and the oxides as well. DNF block element, you should focus on transition element, metals the most, right? Oxidation states and catalytic properties here, the applications that are given in your NCERT. Coordination compounds, ligands, coordination number, isomerism and bonding theories like VBT, CFT, these things. Then organic chemistry basics you should know, nomenclature, preparation, reactions of hydrocarbons, very, very important. GOC should be on your tips here, right? Biomolecules, carbohydrates, proteins, DNA, RNA, all the theory based questions related to them. And don't forget to do the naming reactions and the distinguished test from organic chemistry. That is a must do thing, right? If you are able to do these many things for VITEEE and SRM, definitely you will get seat. But before that, also know one thing. If you have done enough that, ma'am, yes, I have done enough, my topics are fully revised, ma'am, but the problem is the time management, right? Okay, so time management you should do, right? Because there is no negative marking, so there is, you should attempt all the questions here, right? So there is no problem for that. So what you need to do here, you need to do some test series, right? For that, students, we are providing you with the test series. Let's say this is a test series of KCET, right? That is for Karnataka students, right? KCET test series, that is just at 499, right? At just 499. If you talk about VITEEE test series, that is also at just 499. Yes. Then SRMJEE test series, that is also at 499. So I would advise you to purchase the test series, because you know, when you actually start doing the questions yourself in the form of a mock test, in the form of a test series, right? Because solutions will be provided to you, right? If you have any doubt, you can always talk to us. That is the reason what will happen, you will get to know that, okay, this is the area that I am doing mistake, you know, continuously. So you will know, okay, these areas are important, because how our test series are made is actually dependent upon analysis of last 5 to 10 years. Okay, this is the analysis, these are the topics that they are frequently asking. From that, we actually make the test series, right? That is why if you're thinking that out of these test series, this question, this type of question is getting repeated and I'm not doing it right, that means you need to make that topic very strong. You need to have that backup plan here, right? And also talking about backup here, right? Most of the students who are like, ma'am, yes, my attempt one was not good, ma'am, but I'll do 100% in attempt two. But ma'am, I'm very blank here. What to do, right? For them, we have JEE attempt to crash batch. That is purely in English. So in this batch, what we are going to do, right? What are the different things that you will have? Targeted revisions in the weak areas. Speed and accuracy boost will be there. You will have regular mock test, right, where you can increase your speed, you can do the time management, everything, right? Smart practice will be there, DPPs will be provided to you, mock test and analysis definitely will be there, and that too we will focus on with that each individual student they are weak in which parts, right? Now let us see the features of this batch. First is live classes by your master teachers, right? Okay, Next is handwritten teacher notes after the class. The teacher who has written everything on the board, that will be provided to you, right, in that closed environment, right? Next is bin session replay after the class, right? If you think that, ma'am, I was not able to understand that in the class, first thing, that will not happen, right? But still you feel, ma'am, that topic was really weak, ma'am. Okay, I understood that, ma'am, but I think I need one more revision, right? You just go and replay it, watch it on 2x speed, right? So that will be very beneficial for you. If you miss any session, to revise for test as well. Now, VBuddy will be provided to you. Here, its features are lecture repository, then one shot lectures will be there, assignments will be there, test planner will be there, and any help you need, that will be provided to you, right? Next is pedagogy will be provided to you, right? Next we can say basically latest edition, customized flashcards, adaptive practice, create your own test from the books as well, that is also provided to you, right? Test created by authors, bite-sized video by the Vedantu. For example, one particular small topic you are weak in, that will be provided to you, right? Okay, then major most important and my most favorite thing is test and analysis, that we usually take for granted, right? So fully your report card will be assigned to you, where how many marks you are losing in which particular area, everything will be provided to you in your analysis report, right? So that will help you in further improving yourself for attempt 2, right? And this attempt 2, every content is purely based on attempt 1, the learnings from the attempt 1, right? The batch is, guys, it is starting from 12th of March, that is tomorrow, right? So you really need to be on your toes for this. Why? Because otherwise what will happen, you will start losing this time as well. You will be like, okay, it's 12th of March, I'll just miss 5-6 classes. That will not work, right? So you should be there on the first day, right? You should be there. Don't procrastinate now, right? Now, talking about the session details here, number of sessions per day are 3, right? Total sessions are 45 plus sessions. Number of sessions per subject are 15. Language is English, and classes are from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. You are totally occupied here with little breaks, right? Now, next is focus JEE main attempt 2 preparation. In class, you will have live classes, live in-class doubt solving, live quizzes in the class, live practice question discussions, and live previous year question discussions, right? After class, you will have handwritten teacher notes, pedagogy app and VBuddy, and exclusive telegram groups you will have, right? Okay, that is purely for the students who are getting enrolled into our batch, right? Now, guys, the batch will end on 20th of April. After that, we'll also provide you with the VITEEE guidance, right? Okay, so crash courses which contains JEE Main 2 plus VITEEE classes. Crash combo also includes KCET and COMID-K test. And if you go for Crash Pro, that will have JEE batch, VITEEE batch, KCET, COMID-K, printed JEE previous year question delivered. That is, books will be delivered to you at your home, right? So I would advise you to go for Crash Pro, because you are getting everything in just one plate. So that will be more beneficial for you. And if you talk about the price here, that is Crash Prime is at 999, Crash Combo is at 1999, and Crash Pro is at 2999. So depending upon your requirement and your budget, you can select any of this, but I would really advise you to go for Crash Pro, because you are you're saving your backup seat as well here, right? You are preparing for KCET, for SRM, for VITEEE, everything is provided to you. Even JEE books are provided to you, right? So that is the most beneficial offer, I would say, for you, right? Okay, guys, that's it for today. Till then, bye-bye, take care, see you all in the next session. Let me know in the comment section what exactly are the problems that you're facing for JEE mains attempt 2 for chemistry. Till then, bye-bye, take care.